Hey there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and if you are looking for a really comfy Mary Jane shoe that can be dressed up or down, then I highly recommend this Wildflower Mary Jane by Jambu. This is probably my third pair of Jambu shoes because they hold up so well, they are really comfortable, and they're super cute and trendy. You also have this great strap that goes right over the top of your foot. I have really flat feet, and so sometimes straps on other shoes go too far over. But here you can see I have them really tight and the strap does not even touch the floor. I also like that the sole at the bottom overlaps to the front. I love that it has this shimmery pearl texture and these floral cutouts. So it really looks nice and feminine and elegant, but it has this amazing traction on the bottom as well. So it's great for walking, for hiking. Jambu also always has great arch support, which I really need. So as you can see, there's a good amount of arch support in these shoes. Overall, I am 100% happy with these shoes and I have recommended them to my friends. I really love how they look. I love that I can dress them up for a night out or I can wear them every day if I'm going on a hike. They're really comfortable, but that's just my point of view.